Woo, your coaching material. Okay, let's get into this to find out more about what coaching is and what it isn't. Now, most people think coaching is just giving advice. It's not. Typically, giving advice is what a mentor or a consultant provides. Now, life coaching is really about asking powerful questions that helps your client to reframe their problems, to improve their perspective or shift their perception and expand their horizons. So, life coaching is about helping people to get clear on what they want, identifying what's holding them back, and creating a path forward. It's not therapy, it's not telling people what to do or fixing people. Mind you, Neuro-linguistic programming, or NLP, the NLP component of our course, means that you can coach people and help them change limiting beliefs, improve their emotional state, break unresourceful patterns, improve their external and internal communication, and assist your clients to overcome trauma, anxiety, depression, among other mental issues. Now, in our life coaching and NLP practitioner training, you learn how to use coaching models and systems, as well as how to ask powerful transformational questions. For example, imagine what answers can come from questions like these. So here is a very basic question, and it's a question that typically most coaches use to get started with a client. And that question is, what do you really want? And what's stopping you? Very important key question to find out where they are now and where they actually want to go. So here's another question. Imagine what your life looked like if you made peace with fear and your new default was courage. A courageous life. Or how about this one? Who would you become if you stopped making excuses and took massive action towards the life of your dreams? Begins to open the doors. Questions get you thinking, and thinking can open new doors of opportunity. For example, many years ago, I asked myself an incredibly powerful question. Now, this is actually me coaching myself. And my question was, I had all of my dreams because I had learnt NLP and I learnt coaching, and I had a coach, and I still have a coach today. And my early coach was helping me to achieve all of my dreams. And I achieved them. I became a coach, I became an author, I became a speaker, I became a trainer, and I was also traveling overseas helping other people in other countries. So all of my dreams were met. The problem with that was I was now working 7 days a week. It was nuts, it was ridiculous. There was so much demand on my time and my resources. So I asked myself a better question. The better question was, how can I earn what I'm earning now and only work 4 days a week? And so I couldn't answer that question straight away, but it got me thinking and got me strategic. So great questions can create some really good opportunities. Ask a better question can create better outcomes. But learning how to be a coach isn't about just asking questions. That's actually a small part of the training, though the right questions can create big results, because great questions lead to great thinking. A great coach doesn't give answers. They help people find their own answers. But what does coaching actually look like day to day? Let's explore that in the next module.